Hello, come in, breaker. We got a Donkey Stomper 800HD 8-pill repair review. We're going to be pairing it up with the Texas Star 350 high drive. Start with, look at our strength and SWR. Turn it back on, radio drive. Input SWR. Worldwide 0. 1000 watt slug, radio drive, 8-pill on. Worldwide, about 400. Lost a little bit because we got a driver in line, another extra jumper and all that stuff. Alright, we're going to turn him on. I'm going to show you how to run this. What you're going to do is you're going to leave the green button in, turn your variable down to start with, okay? It's that 1000 watt slug, so we want to key it at 200, so we're going to go for 20. I'm going to key it. Take the variable and the driver up to 200, okay? That's it, as far as you need to go. Which on my area set up is about right there, okay? So we took it up to 200. Alright. Now, let's look at output reflex. Worldwide, go down, half watt, input change. Alright, 1000 watt slug, average power. Worldwide, audio. Talking 800, whistle 1000. 2500 watt slug. Texas Star driving 8-pill. You're in that top scale, tens of thousands, 1500s, you know the drill. Worldwide, donkeystomper, worldwide, donkeystomper, worldwide. So it's about 1700. Worldwide, donkeystomper, 2 driving 8, worldwide, get on down, working my little donkey-stomper, worldwide, go down, get on down, go down. There she is. Let's do a little stress test on her. But just remember, you start with the variable all the way down, ease it up to get 200, and stop with both with the radio, box, and this keyed up. You shouldn't have no problem. We did change a bunch of stuff in the Donkey Stomper, retained it and stuff, so should be good to go. But there you go, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend in 10-018 Boost. Catch you later.